How to download video from Dropbox to iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Dropbox application on your iPhone. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Files tab. You can view all your uploaded files and folders here. Now, navigate to and tap on the folder that contains your video. Find the video file you wish to download and tap on it. When the video player opens, go to the top right corner and tap the three dots icon. From the menu that appears, tap on the Save Video option. A progress indicator will pop up showing the download status. Once finished, go to the Photos app. As you can see, the video is now saved to your library. Following these steps, you can easily download videos from Dropbox to an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.